Hey, Woody here with GMR Metal Roofs and Constructions. These guys have probably look a little bit familiar with us. They've helped us out before with donating supplies with a trailer out to Waimama. We've helped a couple of veterans after the last storms, made sure they had the materials and stuff they needed to do to get some stuff buttoned up. This, we had them meet me out here on a Friday night, gave them their donation. You have the American Post over here at 309, that's always welcoming. So I'll let Tom explain what nonprofits they do and what they do every day.
Hey, I'm Thomas Bulldog Price with Chapter 20-10 in Florida. We are the Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association. We are 100% nonprofit 501c19. Through Jeremy and his company, we helped rebuild a roof on a veteran's home after the hurricane. So it's great helping him. He provided all the tools and material we need to successfully complete that mission, and we did it. We also do a final mile, which we escort unclaimed veterans to their final resting place because they have no family to do that. So we are 100% nonprofit.
Those final miles, I know I've talked to other members, they take you guys almost 8 to 12 hours a day sometimes on those.
It does.
That is a veteran that does no family, that does nothing.
Has no family, has nothing. We use our own motorcycles, our own gas, our own time. People take off from work to go do these final miles to get them veterans to their final resting place.
And donations to these guys and stuff like this, it means you're blessed to have what you get to do every day. And with those final mile things, those guys aren't getting paid, they're spending their time. Donations to these things take care of our veterans, they take care of everything, and we are blessed to do what we do every day. There'll be a link on here to their guys' chapter that they have, so that way they can see everybody and like us, follow us, and find us and support us. Thank you, and everybody have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.